Step into EtonHouse Nature Pre-School in Mountbatten, where learning feels magical and every day is an invitation to explore. Here, the outdoors and classroom blend seamlessly. Our expansive green spaces inspire children to follow their curiosity and build a lasting connection with nature.
Our kids have always loved being outdoors. They get a mix of both structured and unstructured outdoor time, encouraging them to explore on their own. It's been wonderful to see how it's boosted their physical development and confidence.
Marco's teachers create this environment wherein Marco gets to try all sorts of things.
Harvesting pods in the Food Atelier offer a hands-on farm-to-table learning experience. Children grow, harvest, and cook their own produce, fostering sustainability and healthy living.
We were also really drawn to the Reggio Emilia philosophy. It's all about growing up alongside other children and learning through collaboration. The staff was really warm and welcoming, and the children we met seemed so happy and engaged with their environment.
Inside, the sense of wonder continues. As a bilingual IB PYP school, we guide children through meaningful, inquiry-based experiences that support their growth academically, socially, and emotionally. Our bespoke primary preparation program gives children the confidence, skills, and strong literacy foundations for a smooth transition to primary school.
We can see that he's quickly developing social skills, from sharing to working together, taking turns, talking, and listening. He's also learning the importance of completing tasks on his own.
Our younger child's language skills have really taken off. It's clear to us how much they're growing and learning, and we feel confident they'll be more than ready for whatever school they go to next.
Throughout the week, children dive into music, drama, forest adventures with opportunities to express themselves, discover their passions, and enjoy the richness of childhood. At EtonHouse Nature Preschool, learning is joyful, purposeful, and shaped by experiences that truly matter.